First of all, I'm going to mix all the ingredients. Rosemary, ginger powder, curry powder, paprika powder, some chicken seasoning, and some white pepper. For now, I'm not going to add salt because this chicken seasoning is salty. I'm going to mix it thoroughly until it's well combined. I'm going to use this turkey meat. At this time, I'll mix it with the spice. And I will cover it. Allow it to marinate for 1 hour. In this bowl, I have some potato here, and I'm going to add some carrots and some onions. At this point, I'm going to add some avocado oil. The spices. I will mix it thoroughly. So guys, I'm done with this. I will still cover it. Allow it to marinate for additional 1 hour. So guys, it's just 1 hour now. The process continues. I'm going to transfer it to my baking pan. At this time, the meat, and the carrots and onion. I'm still going to add the oil. At this point, I will be adding some cherry tomatoes. As you can see guys, I'm done with this. So I'm going to transfer it into the oven. Okay guys, the roasted potato and the turkey meat and the carrot is out from the oven. This is how it looks beautiful. You can feel free to use any meat of your choice. Thank you guys. I'm done for today. So thank you guys for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys. Subscribe to my channel and make sure you turn on that notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video in this channel, you will be the first person to notify. Thank you very much and God bless you all. And don't forget to give me thumbs up by clicking that like button down there. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.